First, we use a 2.5 wrench. Install the sensor switch first.
Pass it through here and secure it in place here. Tighten it, then install the clamp. This installation is installed in front of the electronic gun. Running full glue, machine COM1 paper. It is convenient for us to adjust the height of the sensor. The height of the sensor from the paper is about 10 mm. Use a 6-hex wrench to tighten it and then secure it in place. The sensor is now installed. Next, we're going to install the electronic gun. Secure the chrome rod to this clamp. The height of the electronic gun is about 2 mm. The height of the electronic gun can be fine-tuned here. The gun and the sensor are now installed.